Alright guys, so should I say one of my guy asked me that he received a message from Firebase like this concerning this app that is client side something like this has been expiring in so days or 0 days, and for that reason he is not be able to, his app is not functioning again. Let's get to the WhatsApp and see what he said. His app is not working again. He said that his app is not working. You can see unable to fetch, error to fetch wallet balance, and everything is not working because his client side is now, it's no more, it's expired, like meaning it's expired. It was on test, meaning it's expired. So now how to edit it? Now we come over to our Firebase, and here is our Firebase. Here is our project. Here's my project, a code mark and the X app. This one simply means I use it for tutorial. So here's my X app. I tap on it, and once I tap on it and we scroll down, you see the authentication. You see the Firebase or the Firestore database. Here is authentication. You see how many users I use for testing. Oh wow! So here is the database where all users data has been stored. Okay, oh, that's nice. So what we need to do here, we are talking about Firestore. Here is the cloud Firestore. As you can see, cloud Firestore. So it's no more working again. So we need to edit the rows. So here is the row. Once you log into your Fire and enter a project, a particular project you want to edit the row, you click on the data on the Firestore database. You will navigate to this place. You will see rows. Click on the rows to load how to edit your security row. So now we need to copy this code here. All this code you're seeing here, we need to copy this. Once you try all possible means to copy all this code. So now we have clicked on select all, but we are not seeing the copy button so that we can be able to copy it. Are you seeing it? We are not seeing the copy button. So what we need to do is give it a long press and open. You see a copy button. Click on the copy. So now let's navigate to our HTML creator app. So let me delete this code and paste our HTML creator app. You can see in this place, here is our setting. Here is the 2025 4th, which that is on March. Since last month, it has expired on last month. So what we need to do right now is edit it. We don't need to do much, just to click here and remove it here and put, let me just say 500. You can put as many years you want. You understand? You can put as many years you want, and that's all. You understand? You can even put as 3,000 years here. You can even put as 3,000, or you understand me? You can put as 3,000 here. And once you are done that, you click on the copy and go back here and replace it. If possibly, let's try this again and click on replace it. Okay, so the same thing happen again. While we click on select all, click on my space button or any number of my choice, any digit or character of my choice, so that the whole thing will be wiped off. You understand? The whole thing will be wiped off. So now, since the whole thing has wiped off, let me copy the edited rules we edit here and select all again. Sorry, we need to give it a long press again and click on paste. So you can see our new rules and has been installed with the date, confirmation date. Okay, you can see the confirmation date now is 3,000. You understand? So let's click on publish to make it start working. Okay, error 7 rows, the unexpected. Okay, sorry, it was that B we inserted there. So now let's wipe everything off again and try again. Select all and click on space button. Now I just enter space button to wipe everything out. Okay, so now let me click on long press and click on paste. Everything is installed again back. So let's check if our It's still okay. So let's click on publish now and see what X. Very good. So the new rows now is now published. So that is it now. The rows is now published. So all the functions of that app will now start working. So let me go and inform my guy that the rows has been updated. He can make use of his role now. Okay. So once his app now, okay, you can now, all right. So that is how to edit your role. That's how to edit it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying this video.